Hi there. This presentation is only going to be a few minutes long, so make sure to sit tight and watch until the end. I promise it will be worth it for you. My name is Jeff Amon. I've been an affiliate marketer online since way back in 2006. I've been blessed to have many successes and reach the leaderboards for many different affiliate marketing companies over the years, as well as earn great commissions from networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, and many more. Now let's strip out all the fluff and get to exactly what needs to happen for you to start earning a job replacing affiliate income online. You simply need a high converting offer and an affordable and scalable source of targeted traffic. If you have those two components, my friends, the rest will fall into place. Now, after testing and promoting literally hundreds of affiliate offers and pouring thousands upon thousands of dollars into buying traffic, I've finally paired the perfect affiliate offer to the perfect traffic source. I've never seen a higher converting affiliate offer, and I've never found a more affordable yet targeted traffic source. Now, when you combine these two together, you'll start to earn massive monthly commissions. The affiliate offer is called the Prosperity Marketing System. It has been around since 2009, and what has me so excited about it right now is that they recently upgraded the compensation plan so that you and I will be rewarded with monthly 100% commissions. The conversions are through the roof. It's affordable for virtually everybody, and the monthly residual income is massive. Now, the Prosperity Marketing System is a front-end funnel system that will help you earn money while you build your list, and it has built-in income streams on the back end. This is truly the easiest way to 6 figures per year I have seen. Now, let's talk about the second component, traffic. Recently, a mentor of mine showed me a source of traffic that was not only highly targeted, but it only cost pennies. That's right, pennies. In an age when traffic is getting super expensive and it's getting harder and harder to be profitable, this is the holy grail of cheap traffic. And I can almost guarantee you haven't heard of it. It's not Facebook PPC, Bing ads, solo ads, or any of those worn out and expensive methods. And it just so happens to be a perfect traffic source for our offer of choice, the Prosperity Marketing System. Now, would you like to know what it is? Well, I just created a training that will show you exactly how to start capitalizing on this traffic method fast. I call it penny traffic. And let me tell you, folks, even brand spanking newbies can get tons of targeted traffic just minutes after watching my training video. This is without a doubt the most easy and simple traffic method I have ever come across. Now, would you like to see this training? Well, there is a catch. This training is exclusively for the people who join me in the Prosperity Marketing System. You won't find this training anywhere else. So here's what you do. Click below this video and take a free tour of the Prosperity Marketing System. You'll quickly see the immense value of the system and how it can help you build a 6-figure income this year. Then take the 100% free 7-day trial, and the My Penny Traffic training module will immediately become unlocked for your viewing pleasure. If you choose to stay on and earn a 6-figure income with me after the 7-day trial, it is only $12 per month. If you decide you want to cancel during your 7-day trial, you can do so with one click. But I'll be honest, most don't because they start earning during their first 7 days. Now watch the affiliate compensation plan below to see how big the money can get from just promoting a $12 per month offer. That's not even including all the back-end cash you'll make when you plug into the system. So take action today, my friends. You can have the ultimate affiliate system set up and have a targeted stream of traffic, leads, and buyers pumping cash into your bank account as soon as today. You have nothing to lose, as you can unlock my traffic training for just taking a 100% free trial today. So I'll see you on the training, and bye for now.